Our group had given a task to create a system for Sarah Shortcakes. This bakery focused on selling some desserts for their customers, especially cupcakes. Recently, the owner of the bakery faced some problems throughout their business, such as a lack of workers, too much order to handle, and existing customer menu records are not organized. Therefore, Dr. Thomas Wegener came up with an idea to create a new application system for the bakery. The purpose of the system is to make the ordering process more convenient and help the staff to take the customer order in an efficient way. There are two views in the system, which is the customer and the admin. First, the customer will greet by the customer application will greet by a home page, and it requires to enter it to continue. Next, they will choose the cupcake that they want from the form, and the order will be stored in database, and they can proceed with the payment after purchasing it. Furthermore, the administrative view also start with a home page, but they are required to enter the admin view and the password and the username. After entering the details, the list of the order from the bakery will appear, and the admin can edit the following data, such as delete, add, and edit data. The benefit of this system is can save more time, especially during peak hours. The system also helps the staff and the customer to make the ordering process become more efficient.
Next, for our objective in this system is to ease the customers and staff ordering system. It helps the staffs to notify the order information from the customers, such as the delivery time, pickup date for self-pickup customer, the quantity of ordered, and the menu desired. Secondly, to create an efficient ordering process. It will consume less time and help the staffs to take the orders. Thirdly, to provide computer-based ordering system for an accurate computation of orders. Computer-based ordering systems are completely extensible and customizable to an organization's needs, and can change the system depending on the situation and current time. And the last one is to reduce paper usage. The application system is an eco-friendly way on making an order. This helps the staff and also the owner to prevent waste on purchasing too many paper to record the customers and the menu data.
Right, so right now I'm going to present about database. So basically our project, for our project we have two database, which is right now, as you can see, is the database for customer admin, and then another database is for login database. Alright, so I'm going to explain about database customer admin first. So for database customer admin, we have 6 table relationship. As you can see here, we have table flavor, table cupcake, table order, table icing, table customer, and table cast list. Alright, so for table flavor and table icing, it will connect to table cupcake. So then and the relationship is one to many. And then for table cupcake and customer, it will connect to table order, and table order will connect to table cast list. So all the relationship is one to many relationship. So for, as you can see, the one that highlight with the key on the left is the primary key for each table. As you can see, for table flavor, the primary key is table ID, and then for icing table, icing ID is the primary key, And then cupcake ID is the primary key for cupcake table. And then cast ID is the primary key for customer table, and order ID is for the primary key for order table, and list ID is for list table. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with the next database, which is the login database. In the login database, it only have one table for login login function. So as you can see here, the ID is the primary key for login table. So for login table, it's going to have it will don't have any relationship because there's only one table. So basically, login table is only for to save or to collect the data from the user or from the admin that will load in the system. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, so today I will present the customer order form. Here in the home page, there's the menu bar above the page written as customer and admin. So to go to the customer form, you can either click here or click on the customer button at the menu bar. This is the customer order form. So let's start ordering. So first let's put a name. For example, Ali Ghazali. And then for number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Purchase type delivery. Address number 1. Date order is 31 January and date receive is 1st of February. So click enter. And as you can see, the details that we have input are written here in the customer info display. Okay, next, let's order the cupcake. First, enter the number of order, which is 2. And then let's pick chocolate. And the icing. Also, here we can see there's available flavor and icing in the list box. And this list box is connected to the database. So we can see the price for the flavors and the list for the icings that are available from the database. Yes. Okay, next let's pick vanilla icing. Choose the color, which is orange. Amount 3. And then let's click add. And there it is, the cupcake info in the list item below. Okay, next let's order the next cupcake, which is blueberry icing, mint chocolate, and amount 2. Add. Okay, so for example, we have done ordering for cupcakes and then we want to calculate the cost. So click on the calculate cost and it will tell us the total amount of the orders that we have to pay. So after we done ordering the cupcakes, for example, if you want to end the order, you can click proceed and it will reset all the form, all the input. So for the next customer to order, and for example, if we want to cancel the order, you can just click cancel and it will terminate the system.
Okay, right now we continue with the admin page. Okay, as you can see, for admin page, you will see the same home page as the customer did previously. So for admin page, you have to click on the menu bar. As you can see, there is a menu bar that will lead to the home page if you want to go back. And if you want to log in, you have to enter the correct information, username and password. For username, if you enter it wrong, it cannot read because it links with the database. The username that we serve for this test is admin12345. Okay, continue. Click OK and it will lead to the admin record page.
In any main record page, in the menu bar, you can see there is Sarah Shortcake's home, login, back to login, and order record. There is two sections. That is the data grid view that displays the data of the customers that had made an order, and also the personal information for each of this data. And previously we had tests for Ali Ghazali. Over here, if you click at the customer ID, it will display at this group box of personal information. For this page, it has 8 buttons, that is first, last, previous, next, add new, save, delete, and save as PDF. Okay, I will explain one by one. For the first button, it will show the first data in the list of data grid view, and next is the last information in the data grid view, for example Ahmad Nabil, and the previous data of it is Mazwin. Next is Ahmad Nabil back, and if you want to add a new data in the data grid view, we can click add new, and it will change into a cancel button, because if we don't want to put the information, if we want to cancel, we can just click this button. Okay, for this one you have to input the customer ID, that is 12, and if you want to input this into the database, you have to save it, and it will display on this data grid view. And if you want to delete any of these informations, for example, I want to delete Ali Ghazali, click on the customer ID of Ali Ghazali, and then click the button delete. It will delete automatically. And then we want to save it as a PDF, we have to click over here, and it will generate the PDF. Okay, this is the PDF. So that's all from us.
To conclude, this system is developed after considering all that related to both customer and staffs. This online ordering application helped us solve the problems that had been faced, especially by the staffs. The benefit of this system are both user can easily track the order, whether it has been delivered or not. Thus, this system is presented with features of feedback and wireless communication that would attract the customer. Last but not least, we hope that this system will be able to give more benefits for both users in the future. Thank you.